If you want to know what the built-in Xpan style 65 by 24 aspect ratio crop can do to your images, coupled with the built-in Real Time LUTs which come on the Panasonic Lumix S9, stick around. There are lots of example images coming up because recently I was in Madrid, Spain, and I decided to take my Panasonic Lumix S5 on a walkabout, taking photos in the RASTRO, which is the Sunday street market in Madrid, and the surrounding areas. And I decided that it would be the perfect opportunity to try out this pseudo Xpan, this narrow panoramic ratio crop, to be able to draw the attention to the important part of the scene, and to couple that with one of the built-in LUTs. And the way this works is that the Panasonic S9 bakes in this aspect ratio and also the real-time LUT into the JPEG version of the image, meaning that I could share those images immediately with friends and on social media without the need for any post-editing. Hi, it's Andy here at Photechvideo, and today I'm in Madrid, Spain, in the popular area called La Latina, which is the beginning of the RASTRO, which is the famous Sunday street market here in Madrid. And I brought with me my new Panasonic Lumix S9, which is what I'm actually filming myself on right this moment, so I can't show you. And we're going to take advantage of going around the RASTRO and the area around this street market using that pseudo Xpan aspect ratio, which is 65 by 24, and also using one of the LUTs which came in the LUT package with Panasonic Lumix S9. You probably know that the Panasonic S9 allows you to use real-time LUTs. You can select your LUT in camera and apply it to your JPEG images. Now, the great thing about using this panoramic aspect ratio as well as the real-time baked-in LUT in my JPEG is that because I'm shooting in JPEG and RAW, if there's a particular image which I want to have a different look, either aspect ratio or color, what I need to do is download the RAW version to my laptop and process the image accordingly. The great thing about the in-camera real-time LUTs on the Panasonic Lumix S9, as well as the aspect ratios, is that you can download these JPEG images to your mobile device using the Lumix Lab app. And of course, like that, you can share them instantly with friends or with social media with absolutely no need to do any post-production, any post-editing on those images, unless of course you really want to. So just to reconfirm with you, when you shoot JPEG images in different aspect ratios and using real-time LUTs, that aspect ratio and that real-time LUT will be baked into your JPEG image, but it will not be baked into your RAW image. So you will have the full sensor capture aspect ratio as well as having the RAW image to be able to develop however you want to. This really is an excellent feature and can save you enormous quantities of time. And believe me, it is great fun shooting on the Panasonic Lumix S9. It's nice and compact, easy to set up and easy to use. And of course, everything is done in camera for you. Your aspect ratio crop as well as your desired color look. So let's take a look at some of the images which I've taken in the area around La Latina, around the RASTRO here in Madrid, Spain, using that Xpan style and using just one of the included LUTs with the Lumix S9. All of the images you'll see are straight out of camera JPEGs. Well, there you go. I hope you liked the images and also found it interesting to see this 65 by 24 Xpan style aspect ratio combined with one of the real-time LUTs which were supplied with the camera when I bought it. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you have any experience using in-camera real-time LUTs, and also what you think of this Xpan 65 by 24 aspect ratio. Please remember to like and share this video with any friends, family, or social media groups that you think might also find it interesting, and subscribe to my channel for more photographic video content. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photechvideo signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in the next videos.